What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Hydraulic Engineering Tutorial YouTube channel. Today, we show measuring the viscosity of water and glycerol objective. To determine the viscosity of water and glycerol using a falling ball viscometer. Materials: tall, transparent cylinder, glass is preferred, steel ball bearings of various sizes, accurate ruler or measuring tape, accurate stopwatch or timer, thermometer, water glycerol micrometer for precise ball bearing diameter measurement, calculator, cleaning supplies, cloth water. Procedure: 1. Preparation. 2. Measuring water. Viscosity. 3. Measuring glycerol. Viscosity? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hydraulic engineering content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.